all just wide of short mid-wicket, in the air for a moment or two.
Oh, no.
What's happened here?
Well, that's what's happened, Charles. The ball's hit a pigeon, and the pigeon is no more.
Was that the throw from the fielder that hit the pigeon? We need to have a look at this again. Jack Rudolph is the man who could have the pigeon's blood on his hands here. We just need to check out exactly what happened. Didn't seem too squeamish about picking it up and just dumping it over the ropes, did he? Right, okay, let's have a look at it. I think we can reveal exactly what happened. Rudolph did the fielding. He gets the ball in the air, and with about as much accuracy as a Patriot missile, he downs the incoming pigeon.
Poor old pigeon.